32. That brings Dipraj on the striking end. Dipraj will have to wait before going after the bowler. Have to play sensible for his team. Let's see what are his plans. Drives the ball towards the covers. Fielder Amay is very quick on his feet. Gathers the ball. No chance of any run. Another dot ball. He knows it's a free hit. There's as per the rule. Full pitch delivery, lovely connection, and what a hit over the bowler's head. That's a maximum sixer. Dipraj taking full advantage of the free hit as per the rule. 5 free hits awarded in this tournament, and he doesn't miss. Third free hit has been disappeared over the bowler's head for the maximum, and meanwhile the signal of the fourth free hit. Dipraj has a strike, a beautiful 6 over the bowler's head. Cuts the ball. Fielder, lovely effort, but could not stop the ball. Ball is racing towards the boundary, and ball wins the race. A boundary from the bat of Dipraj, a young sensation, had played state level cricket at the senior team also. He has played Ranji, and now giving his services for Agonda Warriors, proving for what he has been brought in the team. A biggie and a boundary. Roadside end. Right arm over the stumps, and man on strike. Dipraj Gaonkar knows of in and out of the batting. Drives the ball straight down the wicket towards the long on area. Fielder gathers the ball. Meanwhile, a single to start the over. The situation, he can assess the situation very comfortably. Knows of what is the need of the hour. Pulls the ball very hard, and that will be away from the fielder. Fielder being a spectator, watching the ball racing over the fence. Boundaries, swing of arm by dashing umpire Nilesh Naik, signalling that ball has crossed the fence. 1 bounce. 4 runs more into the account of Agonda Warriors, taking the total.
One more youngster has made inroads into the IPL team. Hope that he gets a chance. There will be certainly a chance will come the way of Dipraj Gaonkar. That's a cracking shot. Will it go for a boundary? Yes, it does. He was onto the back foot, flashing that short ball across the mid-wicket region, the wide long-on region for 4 runs. So free hit once again has been counted here by Dipraj. And that's the reason why I say till that time he is on the wicket, it's going to be difficult for the bowling side to stop the run flow. His man looks to be in good form, stunning form. Good start already he has got forward as a bowler. Ajit and Nilesh as well, a good leather work cricketer. Oh, what a timing. What a lovely shot. That makes it 6 runs and multiplied by 2 makes it 12. This is the over that he was waiting for, and Sumiran Avankar, Ranji player against a Ranji player. Welcome with a 6. Oh, once again! Oh, wow! This is skillful. Whose car that is? Well, he is also the organizer. Oh, this is beautifully played. Will it be covered by the fielder? I don't think so. He has timed the ball elegantly and craftily played here by the batsman. This is off the hips, just like how Virat Kohli plays onto the leg side. Very elegant, very classy, very risky here from Dipraj Gaonkar. So 4 runs to him. Score moves on to 107. Is a very good piece of bowling here, and misfield here in the covers region. He's going for 4 runs. How well? Well, I thought it is going for 1 or 2 run itself, but The timing was so perfect that not only it crossed past the short covers region fielder, but also at the long off region fielder. This is going to be a very, very difficult here for the
To deliver, as he knows that Deepraj is on striking end, and Deepraj's intentions are very clear. Right arm over the stump, Suraj with a halt. Full pitch delivery, Deepraj strikes. There's a fielder running for the ball, won't be able to reach, and that's a boundary from the bat of Deepraj. With this boundary,
Suraj with a
score moves to 136. Boundary to end the over after the completion of 16 overs. Score is 136 for the loss of Sri Shankar. Not giving much time for the batsman. Lovely pitch delivery, lovely strike. Fielder will be the spectator. Suraj, as says, a ball flying out of the park, out of the fence. What a maximum. Lovely hit from Deepraj. And even there will be a change in the ball. And Deepraj definitely will be looking to heave the ball. Let's see whether he can succeed now. Swings the bat. There was a chance, but taking the leading edge of the bat. Ball is racing towards the fence. Fielder after the ball won't be able to stop, and that's a lucky boundary coming from the bat of Deepraj. Ball taking the leading edge, rolling over the keeper.
There was a chance, but taking the leading edge of the bat. Ball is racing towards
After
the fence.
completion of
Fielder
19
after
overs,
the
score is
ball.
150. Easy things for Deepraj. Right arm over the stumps. Deepraj strike. There's a chance of a catch, but ball has been placed away from the fielder at the long on, and what a hit over the bowler's head, straight down the ground. Maximum
Right
sixer
arm
from the
over
bat
the
of
stump.
Deepraj. With the 6, total moves to 165, and Deepraj moves to 81.
The chance of a catch, but ball has been placed.
And that's a nickname for Deepraj. Swings the bat very hard. What a connection, and ball disappears over the mid-wicket area. That's a beautiful strike. Stretch of arms by umpire this time, raising the hands above his head, signaling these are the maximum runs that can be awarded for that
Swings the bat
strike
very
over
hard.
the mid-wicket
What a
area.
connection.
As per the rules in the
Ball
cricketing,
disappears.
impossible. Connection, and what a hit out of the park, over the camera, into the bushes, across the tree. A maximum to end the inning, and what a way to end the inning. With a style just like MS.
Connection.
Which we have seen doing for Team India as well as Chennai. Deepraj
over the
hits the
camera.
ball, finishes off in a
Into
stride
the-
in the first inning, and takes the total to 181, and Deepraj not out at 97. What an inning played by Deepraj for his team on his birthday. 97 not out, the birthday boy. Deepraj jubilant, missed his century by just 3 runs, but what a wonderful knock from him, taking the total to 100.
ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलो।